Imagine a world where the boundaries of traditional transportation are shattered, where mountains, seas, rivers, forests, and deserts become mere landscapes to explore effortlessly. The electrifying technology that has revolutionized our roads is about to take flight, propelling us into a new era of electrifying. Yes, you heard it right. Electric vehicles that transcend the limits of gravity and soar above the world we know. Today, we're diving into a topic that has captured the imaginations of dreamers, engineers, and visionaries alike: the future of transportation. The concept of electric flying cars, or electric vertical takeoff and landing, Evtol vehicles, is often considered as a potential solution to address various transportation challenges. Here are some reasons why there is a perceived need for electric flying cars. Urban congestion. Many cities around the world face increasing traffic congestion, resulting in longer commuting times, productivity losses, and environmental pollution. Electric flying cars have the potential to alleviate congestion by utilizing the airspace above road networks, providing an additional transportation option for short to medium distances. Faster travel. Electric flying cars could offer faster travel times compared to ground-based transportation, especially in urban areas where traffic congestion is a significant issue. By utilizing the sky as a transportation route, these vehicles can potentially bypass traffic and reach destinations more quickly, particularly for point-to-point travel. Accessibility and connectivity. Electric flying cars could improve accessibility by providing direct connections between locations that are difficult to reach by conventional means of transportation. They could enable people to travel efficiently over water bodies, mountains, or other challenging terrains, enhancing connectivity and mobility options. Emergency services and remote areas. Electric flying cars could facilitate quick response and emergency services, especially in areas with limited infrastructure or during natural disasters, when traditional transportation routes may be disrupted. They can also improve access to remote or isolated regions, including islands, rural areas, or areas with underdeveloped road networks. Environmental sustainability. Electric flying cars powered by renewable energy sources can contribute to reducing carbon emissions and pollution. By utilizing electric propulsion, they can potentially minimize greenhouse gas emissions and noise pollution compared to conventional fossil fuel-powered aircraft. Technological advancements. The development of electric flying cars is driven by advancements in battery technology, electric motors, autonomous systems, and materials science. These advancements can have broader applications beyond flying cars, influencing other industries and driving innovation in energy storage, electric propulsion, and autonomous technologies. One of the smallest jet aircraft ever designed could be several years away from becoming the first sky-legal motorcycle. When it's certified by the FAA, the Jetpack Aviation Speeder will be a flying street bike that uses 8 tiny but powerful jet engines to cruise 60 miles per hour for about 30 minutes. We're working on a special airworthiness certificate for experimental certification, says Jetpack Aviation CEO David Mayman. It's taking longer than expected because this is a significantly different animal than the FAA has ever had to deal with before. Transit Elevated Bus. The Transit Elevated Bus, TEB, also known as the Straddling Bus or Land Airbus, was a concept for a high-capacity public transportation vehicle that gained attention in China a few years ago. The TEB was designed to alleviate traffic congestion by straddling the road, allowing cars to pass underneath while passengers traveled on the upper level. Here are some key points about the TEB concept. Design. The TEB featured a long, elevated structure with passenger compartments on the upper level. It was designed to be much wider than a regular bus, allowing it to straddle multiple lanes of traffic. The lower portion of the TEB provided clearance for cars to pass through. Potential benefits. The TEB concept aimed to address traffic congestion in urban areas by utilizing the space above existing roads. It was envisioned as a solution that would provide an alternative to traditional public transportation systems, potentially increasing transport capacity and reducing road space requirements. Prototype testing. In 2016, a prototype of the TEB was unveiled in China and conducted a brief test run on a specially built track. The test was primarily aimed at showcasing the concept's feasibility rather than demonstrating its functionality in real-world traffic conditions. Challenges and discontinuation. Despite the initial hype and attention, the TEB faced numerous challenges and concerns. Critics raised questions regarding safety, traffic management, infrastructure requirements, and practicality. Ultimately, the TEB project faced financial difficulties and was discontinued, as of my knowledge cutoff. In September 2021, there have been no further developments or deployments of the TEB concept. Several companies are developing electric flying cars, and it's subjective to determine which one is the most amazing. However, here are a few notable electric flying car projects that have garnered attention. Joby Aviation. Joby Aviation is a California-based company that has developed an electric vertical takeoff and landing, Evtol aircraft called Joby S4. It has a sleek design with 6 electric propellers and is capable of carrying 4 passengers and a pilot. Joby Aviation has received significant investments and partnerships, including a collaboration with Toyota and a recent merger with a special purpose acquisition company, SPAC. Lilium, a German startup, has developed the Lilium Jet, an all-electric Evtol aircraft. It features 36 electric engines mounted on wings and has a distinctive sleek design. The Lilium Jet is designed to carry up to 5 passengers and aims to provide efficient urban air mobility services. Volocopter, a German company, has developed a series of electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Their flagship model, the Volocopter 2X, is a 2-seater aircraft with 18 rotors. Volocopter has conducted numerous successful test flights and aims to provide on-demand air taxi services in the future. Ehang, a Chinese company, has developed the Ehang 184, an autonomous electric passenger drone. It is a single-passenger vehicle that can fly autonomously along pre-programmed routes. The Ehang 184 has completed numerous test flights and is envisioned for short-distance urban transportation. And that concludes our thrilling exploration into the future of transportation. We hope you enjoyed this captivating glimpse into the possibilities that lie ahead. As technology continues to evolve, our world is on the cusp of a transportation revolution that promises greater efficiency, sustainability, and connectivity.